Today, I'm going to show you how to pour a can of Coke without it foaming. So right here, I have a can of Coke and I have a glass. I'm going to take this can of Coke and I'm going to demonstrate how to pour this into a glass without it foaming. So the first thing that you'll need is a can of Coke, which I have, and then a glass. Now the trick with this is it's all in the wrist. So check your wrist. After you've checked your wrist, see if they're healthy. And if they're healthy, you can proceed with pouring this glass of Coke because it's all in the wrist. So I'm going to take the Coke, I'm going to have the glass, and what you want to do is tilt the glass at a 46-degree angle, okay? So once it's at the 46-degree angle, you're going to take the Coke with it opened. You have to open it up first before you use it, okay? The most 100% way to pour a can of Coke without it foaming is to pour it without it open. But we're not going to go with that method. Save that for another video. So what I'm going to do is take the glass at 46-degree angle, and then I'm going to take the Coke. And then when I pour it, I'm going to use the wrist action that I was talking about to gently pour it at an angle. And the key is pouring it at an angle. That way you don't disrupt the Coke flow. So I'm going to take my glass at a 46-degree angle, and then I'm going to take my Coke, and I'm going to pour it slowly. So look at that. Look at it, 43-degree angle, 46-degree angle. Look at that, it's going. And as more comes out, you can kind of pick up the pace, but just keep the glass at a 46-degree angle. And when the Coke gets towards the top, what you'll do is you'll take the glass and tilt it back 45-degree, 44-degree, 40-degree, 35, 25, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you see this glass right here? There is no foam whatsoever. And that's how you pour a can of Coke without foam. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.